Hi there, it's Ryan G. Wright with DoHardMoney.com. And I often get asked this question, which is, do I have to pay a real estate agent when I'm selling a home that I flipped? And the answer to that is no, but you're gonna want to. And here's why. Basically, when you sell a house, you can sell a house by owner, you can sell a house by yourself. You're not required to get a real estate agent to actually sell a property for you. But the reason why people hire real estate agents is because it does two things. One, it actually saves the money in the long term, and two, it speeds up the sell, which also saves you money. See, think about it. If you're paying interest every single day and you're using a hard money lender or a private money lender, that interest gets really expensive. And each day that goes by, you're adding up that interest. It's going to cost you some money. The second thing is, with real estate agents and their negotiating techniques, it's actually been proven. The National Association of Realtors did a study that said you're going to be better off selling through a real estate agent and actually get more than if you're selling for sale by owner. And here's why. If you're selling for sale by owner, the first thing that people say when they come and look at your house is, hey, would you be willing to take 6% off since you're not paying a commission to anybody? And lots of times the sellers say yes. But here's what happens. The reason, because you don't have maximum publicity, you don't have it listed on the multiple listing service, you've got a small pool of buyers that are actually looking at that property. And we know with a supply and demand, the less people that are looking at it, the lower that price is typically going to be. So if you want maximum exposure, you're gonna wanna hire a real estate agent to help do that. You're not required to hire a real estate agent, but it's something that we highly recommend, and it's something we would require if it was something you wanted to get a loan through us. So I hope this helps. You don't have to hire a real estate agent. You don't have to pay a real estate agent, but I would highly recommend you do, because you'll get maximum exposure. You get most people looking at it, and it'll get competitive. And in addition to that, you're getting the expertise of a real estate agent that's going to help with negotiation and strategy and help you know how to price it accordingly and know where you're going to want to be. So that's some of the pros and cons. In my opinion, you're going to get more money in listing the property with a real estate agent. And I can speak from experience with this, because I myself, even though I am a real estate agent, have hired real estate agents to help sell properties even in my local market, because I felt like they had a higher expertise than I did. A good example of that is a commercial property that I own. I hired an agent to help find a tenant for the commercial property, even though I am an agent, because I knew the expertise and knowledge and connections would be worth their weight in gold. So I've done that multiple times because they had an expertise that I felt like was greater than the expertise I had, even though I was even licensed to do it. So I believe in this. I think it'll help you make more money in the end. You don't want to step over dollars to pick up dimes. And so you want to make sure you hire an agent, make sure you have maximum publicity, make sure you've got it listed on the MLS, and in the end, you're going to end up with more money in your pocket through savings in your interest rate from your mortgage payments, your loan payments, your hard money lender, and you'll get more money through negotiating. So I highly recommend it. Hope this helps. Check us out over at DoHardMoney.com and make it a very profitable day.